You are welcome, Anansen. We are back to Konkomba Studies room to continue with our studies. Tikigirne Ukpaan abem adipone Tinann nap tabempo. Our last lesson was verbs. Takoko abem na ye verbs. Today we are going to learn what ingredients is and their various names. Ding tibatibay Ukpaan ma yintu ane Tikpeŋawan na yembel. Tikpeŋawan ingredients. Before that, please follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and WhatsApp, Ukpaan to the world. Like and then recommend our page. What is ingredients? By your ingredients is any of the food or substance that are combined to make a particular dish. By Tikpeŋawan. Tikpeŋawan le ye tijikar be tiwane ma agadi pan kinga tijikar tibana. Tijikar be tiwane agadi pan kinga tijikar tiba abonana. Let's see the examples. Nyaan, salt. Nyaan, salt. Nnyun, water. Nnyun, water. Nnyun, water. Kamantosi, Tomantoes. Galba be gaabo, onion. Galba be gaabo is onion. Ikonjo be ikanjo, pepper. Ikonjo be ikanjo, pepper. Imɔɔn, okro. Imɔɔn is okro. Nkpan be nkpam is oil. Nkpan be nkpam is oil. Tijunn, dawa. Tijunn is dawa. Tijunn is dawa. Tinann is meat. Tinann, meat. We have various types of meat. We are going to mention them and their name. Tinann abon Tinann. We have Uklo aanann chicken. Uklo aanann chicken. Ukpaan aanann guinea fowl. Ukpaan aanann guinea fowl. Be Tikpeŋawan guinea fowl. Unaa aanann be Tinann is beef. Unaa aanann be Tinann is beef. Uŋoob aanann be Tinann is chevon. Unaa Uŋoob aanann be Tinann is chevon. Ugbeer aanann be Tikpeŋawan is pork. Ugbeer aanann be Tikpeŋawan is pork. Ujan, fish. Upiih aanann be Tikpeŋawan is mutton. Upiih aanann be Tikpeŋawan is mutton. To takoko abem no denkena. This is our last word for today. Please, these two words, ginger and groundnut. Please find out the name in Konkomba. Tuan kategori tikeni te bel na palan ye be kalama yin tuan ke ginger be groundnut na le Ukpaan be yin kenyi. Ginger be groundnut. Yembele ngeligwe be yin kenyi. Please, those two names, if I have the answer or you have any question or any comment, please put it in the comment box and we'll attend to you. Our word for today is don't watch the clock. Don't watch the clock. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Thank you and thank for your time. If any question or anything, drop it in the comment. Thank you and